this video, we shall be developing the correlation between two or more variables in Microsoft Excel. So run a correlation between variables, we need just to go in data and use this data analysis tool in order to show correlation between two or multiple variables. So if this analysis toolbar is not yet appearing in your Microsoft Excel, just need to go on File and then click on Option and select Add-ins. So when you are Add-ins, just click on Go and select this analysis toolbar. It is not yet selected, so click on OK and you will see this analysis toolbar in your Microsoft Excel. So to run correlation, just need to go in data and among this option select correlation, double click on correlation, and the step is to select the range of correlation, the variable that you are going to analyze the correlation. So select all my three variable of my data, and then click here and select the label first row. Select the label in the first row because my selection consider the first line, which is the label of my different variable, and then click on OK. And you can see that correlation matrix has been generated, and we can see the correlation between three variables. Here is a correlation between x and y, that is negative 0.0034. That means that there is weak negative correlation between x and y. Here is a correlation between x and z, and you can see a positive weak correlation, and here is a correlation between z and y, negative and weak correlation between x and y.